crypto actually, and I've often told you guys this, crypto often acts as a leading indicator. And it actually turned back up there late December, and it's just been climbing. And this is getting a little bit insane right now. Keep in mind, these numbers can only go to 100. So the fast reading is at 100 and the slow's at 96.3. We're kind of running out of room here for the rally. And actually, the complementary signal to this, the histogram, which is nothing more than a sort of a rate of change. Look, you can see if we fast forward to the very last bar on here, you can see that our crypto is heavily overbought in the short term, also heavily overbought in the medium term. So this in itself is a very dangerous condition. And if anything, anybody who's been watching Bitcoin over the past few days, we were rather fortunate to get back in on the long side of our trade. We had a quick little, almost like a flash sell and then flash, get your ass right back into the trade signal there a few days ago. And so we've been long for quite a while on Bitcoin. I suppose I can show you that chart if I have it up in handy here. And it's getting a little bit long in the tooth. I mean, here is that Bitcoin chart. Holy moly. Just screaming straight up here. And of course, we have to stay long until that signal does roll over. We are, like I said, getting ridiculously overbought in this space. A little bit dangerous too, to be perfectly honest with you. I suppose you could argue, I think this is actually Julian's kind of commentary with you guys. It looks like they're hunting stops right now. Just big push higher here. I mean, I don't know whether we can jump all the way up to 21,000 at 2.618 off of this range. But we are, just literally going straight up here. Crypto, I think actually as a leading indicator, it's actually doing its job. I don't, we were picking apart levels and, Julian's liquidity hunt, I even put a tweet out to the effect that I do like the idea that they're just simply going after weak hands now, and each of these levels represents a stop out level. Do we have some sort of insane blow off top, or can we actually get a period where maybe we can just get what ideally should happen here for Bitcoin, and this is good old Brian's bot setup, is we should have like a period of consolidation to set the next leg up. It just going straight up like this actually that's not sustainable over time. You can see when it goes straight up like that, sometimes we actually have to come crashing back down the other side. And now I suppose we'll dig into the after show with Paul. If we have to do that, then is it because of SEC stuff that's coming down the pike? It might be a little overdue for a bit of a consolidation here. That wouldn't surprise me. So having said that, I was certainly not going to go buy any crypto here. But I would like to see a bit of a consolidation. And, if we get any kind of weakness, I might even hop off the longs that we picked up just based off of the algo signals. So.